Good afternoon, everybody. So we are now into week 3, and today is Thursday, September the 20th, so I am a little bit delayed in getting my video out to you guys here this week. What I'm going to do today is quickly talk about moving forward. I've noticed that many of you have started to complete assignment number 1 and are working through the short quizzes and the chapter quiz for chapter 1. So I haven't received any accounting questions to go over here in this video, so I'm not going to discuss any real theory here in this video, but I am going to quickly show the class schedule here. And so if we take a look at the class schedule that's up on Moodle, you'll notice that the plan was to continue working through chapter 1 throughout the month of September, and as we move into October, go into chapter 2. As many of you are now starting to finish up chapter 1, I thought I would open up chapter 2 early. So chapter 2 is now open on Moodle. You'll see that the short quizzes for chapter 2 are up on Moodle, as well as the chapter 2 assignment and the chapter 2 quiz is now open as well. So what I'm going to encourage you guys to do is, at your own pace, transition from chapter 1 into chapter 2. There is no rush. One thing I've found is that if students rush through the material, then they do so to their detriment. Chapter 1 provides the foundation of the basic accounting equation and transaction analysis that we need in order to move into chapter 2. Chapter 2 will introduce the debit and credit theory, and then chapters 3 and 4 introduce transactions based upon those debit credit theories. So what I'll encourage you to do is make sure you work through your textbook, do all the quick study and exercise problems in your textbook, review them to the solutions, and if you feel that you've mastered that, then is the time to move on. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll either respond through email, I'll put something up on the discussion board, or I can put together a video as well. So happy studying, and I will talk to you guys soon.